Good afternoon, everyone. We are Nexus Marketing, and today we will present the strategic evolution of our decisions through the Mimic Pro simulation for Buhi Supply CO. Through the A simulations round, our team managed multiple product lines in a highly competitive market environment, making decisions related to segmentation, positioning, pricing, promotion, and product development. And in this presentation, we will evaluate the key strategic decisions we made, the challenges we faced, how we adapted our strategy over the time, and the main learnings we gained from the simulation. To begin, I will provide a brief overview of the simulation and our overall strategic direction. The simulation places our team in a competitive market environment where we manage multiple product lines and continuously adapt our marketing decisions based on customer insights, market performance, and competitor activity. Our main products included the Odyssey Hip Pack, the premium backpack line, and Softies, each targeting different customer segments and requiring different strategic approaches. For the Odyssey Hip Pack, we focus more on young female trendsetters and use premium differentiation as our main positioning strategy. For the premium backpack line, our strategy focused on functionality, premium value, and active consumers. And meanwhile, for the softies, targeted sustainability-oriented customers through ethical positioning and value-based messaging. Overall, our strategy was guided by customer-centric marketing, segmentation refinement, and marketing mix alignment. And using SCP principles, this allows us to better connect each product line with a specific consumer needs, positioning strategies, and performance objectives.
Hello everyone, my name is Natalia Villaneda and today I'm going to present about the segmentation, targeting and positioning strategy. The principal purpose was a through a market analysis based on consumer reviews, product futures and the competition. The aims was a reposition the Odyssey hip pack to a profitable product that was aligned with the brand. The the principal steps was identify the most profitable segments, define the products, identifying the eyes of consumers, and identify the motivation for purchase, and analyze the consumer behavior, demographic data, lifestyle, and trends. One of the decisions was to review the target audience, was women between 16 to 25 years, with the main interests are music, photography, and exploring new places. And additional, the initial promotion was three strategic distribution channels: Canvas Collective, Alamod Bags, and Urban City. It was also assumed that improving material and durability, zipper and fabric will be the primary driver for customer satisfaction. For the second round, the purpose was the test we conduct provide use with tools and information for better decision making and a deeper understanding of consumer preference. But we had pricing and profit problems. The achievement profit percentage was 61%, missing the strategic target of 66%. Why? They addressed complaints about the plastic zippers and prioritized durable fabric, but the customer dissatisfaction, they valued functionality more. Um, for this reason, the strategic change was realigning the product mix. Their strategic focus was creating a suitcase with improved the compartments, dedicate cell phone pockets, refined the distribution, improved distribution channels, Canvas, Collective, Alamod Bags, Urban City. Data driving interaction and check should be made be reviews, analysis of reviews, and previous experience.
Hello everyone, my name is Deepa Giri and I'm a team member of Nexus Marketing Group. I would like to welcome you to our strategic marketing performance review for Mimic Pro Simulation Round 3 and 4 for Buhi Supply Co. Today we'll take a look at how data-driven product adjustment and integrated communication strategies successfully shifted our brand's creative direction, enhanced audience engagement, and optimized our channel performance. The purpose of this review is to assess the strategic development of our integrated marketing communications and examine the influence of sustainability messaging analyzed through the ABLE framework on brand positioning and multi-channel media effectiveness. Let's begin with our product development and customer adaptation metrics. Our core purpose on this slide is to explain how our product evolution across the simulation round 3 and 4. It becomes clear to us that the first product and services we offer needed more substantial practical benefit. Based on the incorporation of client input, we made multiple adjustments to the physical products. Especially, we updated to long-lasting water-resistant textile and included a high-quality stainless steel zipper. Customers had previously pointed out several usability issues to us, and we reviewed the feedback from the customer, and these changes addressed them promptly. In theory, this is an example of a customer-centric marketing approach. By enhancing these particular qualities, we were able to differentiate our product from competition, provide more value to our customers, and provide a solid foundation to charge a premium for the product. And because of this, we were able to directly link user data with upcoming product plan changes. We strengthened our position in the industry and improved our fundamental consumer value proposition by changing the faulty plastic zipper and water resistance material. Moving on to the following slide, we will analyze the strategy and execution of our campaign. Our purpose is to conduct a comprehensive audit of our creative assets using the theoretical ABLE framework to ensure clarity in message. While our visual assets scored a perfect 5 by 5 for grabbing consumer attention, we noticed that we created a significant benefit gap by focusing too much on styles, which actually distracted our core audience from our product's functional value. This evaluation is conducted to explain the evolution of our brand's communication during the simulation. We introduced a personalized thread lights campaign to fix this mistake and strengthen our premium brand positioning for softies. We highlighted that our t-shirt softies are organic recycled cotton blend it was the focus of this strategic approach, which helped us to progress our targeted sustainability marketing and bring our brand narrative into direct alignment with our target market's value on environmentally conscious lifestyle choices. We used our $75,000 budget to launch this campaign across different media platforms and track the interaction of our audience over time. By side by side, comparing various channels, we were able to identify which ones had the most engagement with our messages. And at the end, our main source of revenue came from our data-driven social media judgments. So we maximized continuous consumer engagement and achieved a remarkable 58% market reach by allocating a significant amount, that is 42,500 of our budget directly to high performing social platform. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I will walk you through how Nexus Marketing managed a major operational disruption during our rounds 5 to 8 of the Mimic Pro simulation, and most especially how strategic decision making enable us to protect performance under pressure. The disruption came at a critical stage of growth. A fire at our contract manufacturer halted production of both Aurora backpack and hip pack lines. What initially appeared to be an operational issue quickly became a strategic problem, exposing our dependence on a single supplier and threatening short term demand fulfillment. The impact was immediate and measurable. Supply capacity dropped by approximately 40%. Several distribution channels were paused, and marketing activity was intentionally restrained. Our priority was straightforward: avoid stimulating demand that we were no longer capable of servicing. So, as you can see, rather than simply reacting to the crisis, we repositioned strategically. We adjusted Aurora pricing, refined channel selection toward a premium aligned partners, redirected investment away from underperforming softies, and strengthened Aurora's positioning toward a female professional aged 21 to 31. Each move was supported by customer and performance data. With constrained resources, prioritization became non negotiable. We protected Premium Aurora because it delivered the strongest customer lifetime value and growth potential. Hip pack supply was maintained to preserve a market visibility, while softies received a reduced investment due to weak performance and limited strategic return. So our execution required alignment across our function, especially leadership should be coordinated, pricing, budgeting, and even channel distributions. Our market insight validate Aurora allocation, marketing refined targeting, and even financial analysis rebuilt projections around revised supply and revenue expectation. Despite the disruption, performance remained resilient. Revenue exceeded $5 million, reaching 5.3 million. Aurora recorded 13% growth and remained our strongest product line. However, one key insight emerged: Aurora pricing at $100 remained below the level required to fully optimize margins. There are three frameworks guided our approach. First is strategic agility, risk management, and adapted strategy. The lesson here is simple: speed matters. Unmanaged supplier risk carries strategic consequences, and continuous reallocation towards a stronger performing products improve resilience. This experience reinforced that effective crisis management is not about avoiding disruption, it's about responding decisively. Strong strategy requires agility, disciplined prioritization, and evidence based leadership.
Hello everyone, my name is Tara, a team member of Nexus Marketing Group. I would like to present you the overall performance review for Mimic Pro simulation round for Boise Supply Co. The analysis focused on revenue, growth trends, profitability, strategic improvement, market position, and customer alignment across three products: Odyssey Hip Pack, Premium Aura Backpack, and Softies. Odyssey Hip Pack generated $531,000 revenue with a 6% increase, indicating recovery. The performance improved due to product redesign, increased budget, and customer feedback integration. However, it remains a moderate mid-tier performer. This suggests that tactical improvement worked, but stronger differentiation is still needed for competitive advantages. Premium Aurora Backpack is the strongest performer with $3.99 million revenue and 13% growth. It achieved 68% profitability, showing highest efficient performer. And its success is driven by effective budget allocation, premium pricing strategy, strong segmentation using CLV CAC ratio. The high customer rating 3.7 indicates strong market acceptance. It demonstrates consistent growth and strong strategic alignment. For Softies, the revenue declines to $827,000, near about 16%, showing negative growth. The weak performance is due to underpricing strategy, poor budgeting, and the lack of strategic improvement. This resulted in weak market positions and declining customers' alignment, indicating failure to respond to market dynamics effectively. Overall, Premium Aurora outperformed due to strong integration of key frameworks, STP, segmentation, targeting, positioning, and able attention, benefit linkage, and equity. Further supported by effective pricing strategy, optimized marketing channels, CLB CAC ratio alignment, customer insights, and competitive positioning. This slide presents the recommended 4P strategy: product, price, place, and promotion to drive growth and profitability, with a purpose of aim of refining market mix based on the simulations for long-term customer value, equity, investment, and sustainability. The product focus suits simple and functional design aiming to improve reliability and brand value. For the recommendation of pricing, value-based pricing can help maximizing profit, and high quality helps strengthen premium positioning. For the place, high performing and distribution channels should be expanded to increase reach and customer convenience, and the promotion can be attained by the shifting to digital and social campaigns to improve engagement and the ROI. As seen above, the sustainable growth of Premium Aurora Backpack aligns with 4Ps with customer insights and premium positioning.
Overall, the simulation highlighted how strategic marketing decisions directly influence in business performance across multiple product lines. And one of the most important lessons we learned was that customer feedback proved more valuable than assumptions during decision making. Many of our strongest improvements came from adapting our strategy according to customer insights and market performance data. We also learned that pricing strategy required balancing profitability, perceived value, and competitive positioning, especially in highly competitive markets. Finally, the simulation demonstrated that continuous adoption across the marketing mix improve customer engagement and overall performance outcomes. And overall, this experience reinforced the importance of customer-centric strategy, data-driven decision making, and integrated marketing planning in competitive business environments.
Finally, in this slide, the strategy conclusion: the importance of an integrated marketing strategy can help achieve long-term success by ensuring unified decision-making. Organization can build a strong and competitive market position. Effective market segmentation and a clear value proposition help strengthen brand identity and customer connection. However, increasingly complex market decisions can cause analytic errors in key metrics like customer lifetime value and acquisition cost that we calculated before, and lead to customer dissatisfaction. Therefore, for delivering a cohesive brand consistency, alignment of all market activities and cross functional coherence is very important. Further, in a dynamic market, strategic flexibility and adaptability allows firms to respond quickly to changes, improving performance and customer satisfaction. Final takeaway from this presentation is that integrated marketing strategy supports long-term customer value creation, driving loyalty, profitability, brand consistency, and sustainability business success. Thank you everyone. We are happy to answer any question.